Hi guys, welcome back to my health journey. As you guys know, I just recently started my treatment for Aimovig last month, and it was actually my first dose. If you haven't watched that and you guys want to watch it so that you guys can follow me on this journey, I'm gonna leave a link down right here for you guys so you guys can check it out. And then this is my second dose, so I'm really excited, and yeah, let's see how it goes.
Cause I don't want nobody change me now. Cause I like to be myself. If you're not agree, you can walk away.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the process of my second dose of Aimovig. It's finally been a month since I've gotten my first one, and I didn't feel any difference from my first dose like I mentioned in my last video. It is going to take maybe 3 to 4 doses before I start feeling anything. However, the only thing I did feel from the first dose, the first couple of days after I got it, I felt a relief, or if that's like the best way to put it. I usually feel like some pressure on this side of my head when I have headaches, but when I got the dose, like a couple days after that, I started feeling like a relief. Right now I do feel the pressure again, but I think it's because, you know, it wore off, or maybe it's just, you know, my body's barely getting used to it. But yeah, this is my second dose and I'm really excited. I'm hoping that, you know, within time, after maybe 3 or 4 doses, I'll start feeling a lot better. I don't have migraines, but I do have a lot of similar symptoms to migraines, and that's why I decided to try Aimovig. If you do have chronic migraines though, definitely look into it, because I personally know a lot of people who've tried it. And I know one of my friends from high school, she's actually on it, and she said she got really good results from it. And then I know a couple of other people who have tried it and it does help them out. So if you do have chronic migraines, definitely look into that. I don't have migraines, but you know, I'm giving it my all, and I'm having so much positivity towards the medication or the treatment, hoping that, you know, it does help me out and I don't have so many headaches throughout the week, because usually I have about 5 to 6 headaches during the week. And it's not like an hour or two, it's literally like I'll wake up with a headache and then I'll fall asleep with the headache. So it's like an entire day thing. So even though it might not take the headache away, at least I'm just hoping that it'll reduce the headaches that I have. That'll be great. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the process to it and how I do it. I don't personally do it on my own. My husband does help me do it because I am scared of needles, and it's just easier for me. I was told you can choose 3 different spots in your body to get the injection, which is your thigh, your arm, or your stomach. And I chose my stomach, just like you guys saw last time, because I felt like it was gonna be less painful since it's easier to grip and I have more fat there. But I'm not gonna lie, it did hurt and it bruised up really bad. I'm just sensitive like that. I bruise up really easily, so if I hit my arm on anything or my leg, I'll start getting a really bad bruise. But my stomach did bruise up really bad, and it was swollen for a few days, but you know, after maybe like a week or 2, the bruise started going away. So don't get scared if you do get it and you bruise up really bad, because I was told it's gonna happen anyways. But yeah, let's get into it and then I'll show you guys how it goes. All right guys, so here we have my second dose of Aimovig. I'm actually really excited and I'm not as nervous as I was last time.
Flashback.
Oh my god, I'm gonna die.
End of flashback.
Everything is pretty much the same. Like I said, if you haven't watched my first video, you definitely go watch it so you guys can see and get a little bit more information on how the injection works. But yeah, it's the same dosage and same pen. So I'm gonna do it on my stomach. Well, I'm gonna have my husband do it on my stomach, just because it's easier for me, and I feel like, you know, my thigh or my arm, it's gonna hurt a lot more. But yeah, let's get into the shot and let's see how this goes. Remember, last time I did actually bleed, so I'm hoping and praying that this time I don't bleed, because I did bleed a lot last time. But yeah, let's get into it. All right guys, so I am getting ready to get my shot. My husband is getting everything ready for me. I'm a little nervous now actually, just because I see the gloves and I see the alcohol pads, and it's like I know it's serious now. But I do have a Mickey band-aid, so that's the only thing that makes me feel a little good about myself. So cute. But I am going to get it right here, just because this is where I have more fat and you can actually grab it. Woo. So yeah, let's get into it.
Where?
Oh my god. Right here on this area. Oh my god. I'm nervous. Oh, I had a tanning lotion, so it might be orange. I look like a carrot, you guys. Whew. Don't come for me and my little fat. Oh my god.
1, 2, 3 shot.
Yeah. Oh no, last time you fooled me though. If you guys see the first video, you guys are gonna see that he went on 2 instead of 3, and I was freaking out after. Oh my god. Okay.
It's too hard.
That's what she said. Okay. Yeah, you can.
Okay.
All right. Oh my god. Wait. Go. Ow. Ah, this hurts. Ow. I cannot be the only one that's scared of needles and shots, but oh look, I actually didn't bleed this time. Did it go?
Did you do it?
I felt it pinch. Yeah, I felt it. I felt you pinch me. What the heck?
Hold on.
Oh, my body's rejecting it. Did you ruin my shot? I can't get another one.
Okay.
Oh.
I have to do it rough against.
Oh, I guess. Ah! Ah! Oh!
I try to do it nice
my
and
god,
slow, but
that hurts so
I have to do the
bad.
pressure.
Oh my god, I feel so dizzy. Oh. I see stars.
Blood.
Oh, that hurts so bad. I want to cry. Why are you laughing? You're evil.
Cause you over here pretending like you got a shot when the needle didn't even inject.
It did. I felt it. That's why I was like, hell yeah, this one does not hurt. This one.
It was a lot easier this time.
This one hurts so much. I got a boo-boo, y'all. Look at that. Oh, that hurts so bad. Oh my god, you guys. That was so painful. Like really, really, really painful.
Worse than last time?
Yeah, way worse.
It's not as bloody and nasty.
That's what she said. This hurts. It hurts when I sit, actually. Yeah, it stings really, really, really bad, you guys. Well, that was my second dose, and that didn't go that well. I really thought that the first time that he injected that it was a shot, and I was so happy because I just felt a little pinch and it was nothing like the second time. That hurt really bad. Oh my god. But then again, I'm a chicken, so you know, you guys might have a higher pain tolerance because I don't. But yeah, that was my second dose, you guys, and I hope that it works, and I hope that I feel a lot better now that I have a second dose rather than the first one. But yeah, I will see you guys on my next video, and I will also keep you guys updated, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. If you guys want to see more of this, or if you guys, you know, want to know more, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys on the next time.
Within ain't nobody perfect. Something in my mind. It's within ain't nobody perfect.